Alright, so welcome to our Bisaya Programming. I will use Bisaya and English language para sa atong mga Bisaya ng mga programmers for the beginners. So we will learn the Java programming in Eclipse. But today, we're going to have a quick tour sa atong Eclipse IDE. So just open your Eclipse IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. You can use also NetBeans, VStudio, but this time we will have a quick tour of Eclipse IDE. And before we proceed and while waiting, do not forget to hit subscribe, then like this video, and share this video to your classmates or colleagues na gusto sa ma-learn when it comes to programming. So as you can see here, this is the GUI of IDE in Eclipse. So in Eclipse, you can create programs like Windows programs. You can add some add-ons for this one. Like if you want to develop Android applications, so you can put some add-ons here. So for now, this is our file menu. This is edit. Then we have navigation or the navigate. Then we have the search here. We have the project menu. Then run menu. Then window menu. And we have also the help menu. So now, let's create magbuhat ta og bago. So I'm going to delete this old folder. So as you can see, if first time ni mo gam open sa Eclipse, mo ni mo makita. So all you have to do is to have file, then new, then Java project. If you are going to create a project, for example, we will create a project named Bisaya Programming. So all you have to do, wala na kailangan usbon dire, just see the default lang. So in my case, akong end, I am using my drive C, which is SRC Programming, Eclipse Workspace, then Bisaya Programming. So all you have to do is to click finish for this one. Then for the create module info, just click do not create or don't create. Then my project na kita, no? If wala makita nga project niya, humana kag-create o project, then for example ingon ani, you can go to window, show view, dayon project explorer. Then ma-show up na siya. Dayon we will going to click the small arrow or you can double click the project itself para mo drop down ang submenu. So there is a SRC, this is our source folder. Then we have the GRE system library. So as we go on, ato ni siya nga mahibawan kung sa function ani. But for now, we will create a class. Then we will write a single line syntax to print hello world in the console. So here sa ato ang SRC, we will create next our package. So the package here. So for instance, if wala makita ang package dire, you can have the other, click learning other, dayon look for the Java. So ato nang ipadako. So nandira na general, git, Gradle, then Java. So, click lang na ang Java, then we have the package here. For instance, if wala makita ang adto sa atong pakunang create, pag-click na to dito. For if nakita gani, you can directly click the package. Then our package, for example, demo, then finish. Then we have already the package. Then inside the package, we will create class. Dayon, I am going to click I am going to right click the package, then new, then class. Sa class, for example, our problem is to print hello world in the console. So I pupot lang tadirag print hello world. So in your end or in your case, pwede ra magbutang dira og bisag unsa nga name nimo. Okay, but in my end, I am using print hello world as my name of my class. Dayon, for the methods tabs, I am going to click the public static void main para dili na ako mag-type ngadto sa ako ang editor. So when I'm going to click finish, mag-loading na, then mag-generate na ang iyang code. So this is our package demo. Dayon public class print hello world, kato atong giname ganiha. Then nag-check man ko sa atong public static void main, mo na siya ni pop-up siya dira. For instance, if wala ka nag-check ato, then you need to type manually the public static void main. And now, we will type the single syntax on how to print the hello world in the console. So just simply type system.out.print ln, open parenthesis, open quotation, hello, just type hello world. Dayon, open lang. Dayon, just save it, run as, right click and run as Java application. So mag-open na siya sa iyang console. So there are two types on how to run the program. So either you can click here on the uppermost, which is below on the navigate menu. Dayon, click this, run as Java application. So ina na lang siya kasayon on how to write your first class or first Java program in Eclipse IDE. Okay? So stay tuned, and then do not forget to hit subscribe and like this video. Then by next video, we'll talk about on how to use the comments in Java programming. We will use comments in Java programming. So keep stay tuned lang, and thank you for watching.